So it's early spring 2021. We decided to get the kayaks out and take a little trip on the Black River. Black River flows down to Georgetown, probably one of the least used free of boats rivers in all of coastal South Carolina. We've been out here all morning, haven't seen a single boat. I hear one off in the distance. There's a little boat ramp there near Choppy, South Carolina, and almost never anybody there. Great little float down the Choppy Creek here that flows into the Black River. Great little place.